Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And the first Sunday in May is a very special day. It's El Día Mundial de la Risa, World Laughter Day. So I had to put a video together. Yeah, I had to do a mini lesson for you with some key vocab all around laughter in español. Here we go. Vamos. Okay, so the first word I'm going to teach you is the word reír. Reír. And it's a verb, an IR ending verb, and it means to laugh. So if I want to say that I laugh, I can say río or me río. I laugh at myself. I do that quite a lot actually. The next word I'm going to teach you is the word for a laugh. Una risa. Una risa. And you get to practice that R. Although it's just one R in this word, you can still have a go at risa. La risa. Una risa. For example, someone might be laughing their head off and they might be like, you know, how laughs can be contagious. You might say to someone, tienes una risa contagiosa. Tienes una risa contagiosa. The next word you'll learn is the word for a smile. Una sonrisa. Sonrisa. Una sonrisa. When you're writing the laughing words in Espanol, you know, like if you in English, if you're writing in English and you write ha 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 ha, yeah. In Espanol, we write ha 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 with a J instead of an H. So the plural form of risa is risas. So risa is laugh, risas, laughter. Por ejemplo, hubo muchas risas en la fiesta. Hubo muchas risas en la fiesta. There was lots of laughter in the party. The word for a belly laugh, you know that belly laugh that has you doubled over, laughing your head off? Una carcajada. Una carcajada. The word for joke in Espanol is chiste. Chiste. And probably one of the most common adjectives in Espanol, especially when, you know, my GCSE students are describing why they like to jugar el fútbol los fines de semana, is el divertido. Something can be divertido or divertida, can be fun. Or you might use gracioso or graciosa. It's a little bit more informal. Divertido, divertida is informal. Gracioso, graciosa is a little bit more formal. Qué graciosa que eres. Yeah, how funny you are. Oh, gracias. And the last one, ridículo or ridícula. Es ridículo or es ridícula when something is ridiculous. Learning Espanol has to be divertido. It has to be divertido. We have to have lots of sonrisas. We have to have muchas carcajadas. It takes the pressure off. Yeah, everyone's going to make mistakes. You make mistakes learning something new. How do you get better at it? I'd love to hear your biggest bloomers in Espanol. What's the biggest mistake that you've made? Is it something that you've said you're caliente when you're actually hot, feeling hot? Tengo calor instead of caliente. Or is it something else? Yeah, share with me in the comments or ping me an email. I'd love to hear your stories of the biggest mistakes that you've made in Espanol that make you realmente una carcajada, que te da una carcajada. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed it. Happy Día Mundial de la Risa and hasta la próxima. Adiós.